Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about homeopathy system of medicine and when homeopathy system of medicine came, why it came, who is the founder of this. So everything I am going to discuss about in this particular video. And if you want to pass your semester exam, so this video 100% will help you to get it, and I would like to provide the notes also in this description box. Okay, the homeopathy is made up of two words. Homea means similar, pathos means suffering. So homeopathy means the similar suffering. So we will, in homeopathy, what will be happen means the symptom or the disease will be treated with the disease. For example, if you have high fever, they will suggest you to take the hot water so that it will decrease your fever. Like that they say. Okay, similar suffering. Homea means similar suffering. Homeopathy means similar suffering, and it is considered a system of similar suffering that is called homeopathy. And this homeopathy can be explained with a system of medicine which is developed by Samuel Hahnemann. So simple, just remember Hahnemann. No need to be remember Samuel, Christine, Friedrich Hahnemann. Just remember this homeopathy system was developed by the Germany person. The name is Samuel Hahnemann. Very easy. Samuel Hahnemann is the person who developed this homeopathy system, and at the same time this Samuel Hahnemann is a physician working or chemist in the Germany. So that means this Samuel Hahnemann is the person who is working in Germany, and he developed this homeopathy system of medicine. At the same time, this Samuel Hahnemann introduced his new principle called simila symbolus quaranter. So this, for this information I am going to discuss in the further slides very detailed way, and it means like diseases are cured by the like medicine. So what this I am going to discuss. The homeopathy medicine will be followed by the 6 principles. The principle 1 is called individualization. The principle 2nd is called principle of similia. The principle 3rd called principle of simplex. Similia means principle of similar, principle of simplex, and principle of minimum dose. That means in homeopathy medicine they say that if you take the minimum dose, the disease will be treated very well. So that is the principle of minimum dose. Law of dynamization. So what is law of dynamization? In the further slide I would like to explain clearly about what is called law of dynamization and essential force. Based upon these 6 principles or 6 theories, the homeopathy system of medicine is working. The one is called individualization. Principle of similar means similar, principle of simplex, principle of minimum dose, law of dynamization and essential dose. Based upon all these factors, the homeopathy system of medicine is working. So homeopathy medicine believes that various materials found in the nature contain an energy field that can exert healing effect on the human body. So in homeopathy system what they are thinking, that means the materials which found in the nature like the plants or alcohol or any chemical that have nature of energy field, that nature of energy which can heal you, that is the homeopathy believes, and the energy field is amplified or potentiated by series of dilation. For example, if we take in, this is the solution A, if we take in the solution A 1 ml, if we add it to 100 ml of solution B, then this homeopathy system believes that the solution A you take in 1 ml, this 1 ml you add it to 100 ml of solution B. Now the homeopathy system believes that this solution B have more effect in the disease treatment compared to the solution A. That means the energy of the field is amplified or potentiated by series of dilation, and it is noticed that dilation enhances the medical power of the drugs. If you dilute more, then automatically the power of the drugs will increase more. That is the thing. And the more the mother tincture is diluted, healing effect is stronger. That means you take in 1 ml from the solution A and we add it to the solution B 100 ml. Then what will be happen means this 1 ml increases the power of this 100 ml solution. That this homeopathy believes. Simple. It is noticed that dilution enhances the medical power of the drugs, and the more the mother tincture is diluted, then automatically the healing effect will also stronger. And it is based upon the dynamization theory by which the quality of medicine improved by vigorous shaking. That means, so you can see another theory is also there, or another principle is also there in homeopathy medicine. That means if we take one solution and if we shake well, then when you shake well, the energy or the strength in the solution will increase. That is also done. So simple thing, it is based on the dynamation theory. The quality of medicine is improved by vigorous shaking. That means if we shake the solutions or the medicine, the quality and the strength of the medicine also increased according to the homeopathy medicine. This method is also help you remove the poison properties of the drug, and the materials used in homeopathy formulation came from the natural herbs and minerals. That means in the homeopathy system, we take the drugs from the natural and herbs. And for example, in homeopathy preparation, it is right like 2x, 4x, 6x. What is the meaning of 2x, 4x, 6x indicating? The x indicate the potency. This indicate the number of times the mother tincture is diluted. 2x means it is diluted for 2 times. 4x means 4 times it diluted. 6x means 6 times diluted. And according to this homeopathic system, when it is diluted more, the healing effect will be very strong. And the diagnosis of homeopathy medicine will be done. Homeopathists usually collect an extremely detailed case history. That means while a patient is suffering with this disease, what is the problem for the disease, everything they collect, and patients are asked to describe their medical history and current symptoms. So when they ask the current symptoms and detailed information, the persons will understand everything, and in this they understand sensation, modality, and also they investigate everything, what is the reason behind this disease, and detailed information is gathered about patient mood, behavior, dislikes, and what is the response to the stress conditions, reactions of food, personality, everything they discuss, and they get the information, detailed information gathered. When they gather detailed information in homeopathy system, they will understand, okay, this is the reason for the patient problem. Then this detailed case history helps to build up a symptom picture of the patient. So that means the patient is getting this symptom because of this problem. Like this, detailed history is developed. This matched with the drug picture mentioned the homeopathic materia. So materia of medicum is the medicine treatment. The treatment available in this homeopathy system prescribing the strategies available in the homeopathy medical system, and the practitioners always attempt to identify the single medicine which correspond with the patient general symptoms, and 2 patients with the identical diagnosis may react to different medicine. That means, for example, you are the one patient, I am the another patient, so both are having similar diagnosis, but the same medicine will not work for both in this homeopathic system. Simple thing, prescribing the strategies available in the homeopathic system in the treatment, and at the same time in these practitioners always attempt to identify the single medicine to give the treatment. They not give the n number of medicine, but they will try to give the single medicine and general symptoms of picture. 2 patients with the identical diagnosis may react with a different medicine. That means if you have same symptom, may also have same symptom, but we both not together react with the one medicine. Sometimes treatment consists of only 2 or more doses. In another, medicine is prescribed in regular doses like 2 to 6 weeks. That means in the treatment, like they give 1 or 2 tablets or like that, or in some situation they give the tablet for 2 to 6 weeks, and progress is reviewed for the time to time, and likewise suitable alterations will be made, right? So in this thing, like you can see some of the medicines in homeopathy system I mentioned in the table. You can see oleum, CPM means onions, Apis means crushed anise preparations used for the inflammation treatment, arsenic album means arsenic trioxide, Etropa belladonna, headache, fever, this is the natural medicine, borax for ulcers, Rauwolfia serpentina for hypertension. So these are some medicine which is available in homeopathic system. I hope you clearly understand homeopathic system. This will help you to get 10 out of 10 for in your semester exam for homeopathy system. And if anyone interested for GPAD coaching, the link is given below. You can register for that and you get the demo class. You can join GPAD coaching classes. Thank you and have a great day.